Hi everyone. I was just going to do a quick screencast with instructions on how to log into CTLS. So you'll go to the Cobb County website, cobbk12.org, and then you'll see this little drop down that says login, and then you can log into CTLS Learn. I'm going to show you how to log in with my child's email. So you just put your child's email address so that's first name dot last name at students.cobbk12.org, and then their 8-digit birthday is their password. Occasionally, if your child has the same name as another student, their email address might be slightly different. You can check your child's email address on ParentVue, or you can call the office and they can help you with that. So that's what you'll do. You'll sign in. And then this is what you'll see. This is where you would see any live sessions if they were available. And then you can go to your classes. And then this is, all of Cooper's. You may see a little bit less than that. But you'll click on your child's class. And then you'll either go to, depending on what your teacher is doing, in my class, I'm posting everything in resources. Some may be doing that in assignments, but this is where you can find those things. I hope that helps.